I will say this box was pretty heavy, so there might be a lot of shoes in here. This could be a quantity over quality box, or it just could be a quantity box. Hey there, folks. See, I can't even talk and do something else at the same time. Trying to multitask is basically what I'm getting at. Hope you're having a good day. Thanks for checking out the channel. I'm SB Mitch. You can give me a follow on social media. You can also give me a subscribe if you really want to. And apparently there's a notification bell. I didn't know that was the thing. I've never used it before. If you use it and you want to use it on this channel, hey, go for it. It'll be your problem from there on out. Hi, pals. I'm actually okay. I don't know why I'm sounding so down. Welcome to Beater Box Friday. It's the complete opposite of the Beater Box from last week. This box is from Sole Supremacy. That's pretty much the only thing. But this box cost $1,125 plus $50 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois, for a grand total of $1,175, or $1,124 more than the one from last week. In all seriousness, though, thank you everyone who bought pairs from the box last week, and thank you to the many people who donated just out of the kindness of their hearts to the Marsha P. Johnson Institute. I'm waiting for the rest of the box to sell, and then we'll donate a pretty good amount of money. Like, I'm really excited, so thank you everybody. Even if you didn't purchase anything from that box and you just saw the video and understood that it's a great cause, thank you, seriously, from the bottom of my cholesterol-encrusted heart. Hey look, it's a counter. Its name is Clarence. It's going to be letting you know how much each shoe is worth on the secondary market based on size, condition, and other various factors that affect the value of a shoe. Then we're going to break down the entire estimated market value of the box, put it up against how much I paid in the breakdown to see what the potential profit on this box is looking like. It's not a sentence. Hey, if you're interested in any of these shoes too, sbmitch.com updates today at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And if the shoes didn't sell on GOAT, that's where you can find them to purchase them, or look at them, or do nothing. Let's open the box. Oh boy, a lot of loose pairs. So we have 4 loose pairs, it looks like. Is it 4 or is it more than that? No, there's 4. So this first pair is a size US 11. FOAMPOSITE. I forget what these are called. They're not the mirrored FOAMPOSITEs. Well, regardless, the name is on your screen because I look it up after I film the video, but there's a lot of, like, the film is coming off of the FOAMPOSITE, which I guess is pretty normal. But these are, yeah, like, look at the medial side. Look at that, that's pretty bad. But I mean, it's an older pair, so it's gonna happen. It's got no box. It's in decent shape. It's just got these issues with the upper, which I guess is pretty common. So it's escaping me right now. I don't really know what they're called, but it's a size 11 FOAMPOSITE without a box. Hey, if you wanna buy that shoe today at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, go to sbmitch.com if you really want to. Next up, we got a KD something or other. It's a KD something or other. If I were to guess, this isn't a recent model. I'm gonna go out on a limb and say this is a KD, let's say a 4. It's probably not a 4. If I'm right, I completely guessed. But I mean, it's a weird color. I mean, you can see the fly wire inside of the upper. I don't know if these are discolored or if it's just how it's supposed to look. It's a very odd colorway, but it's got some nice little gold accents to it. And it is a size 12.5. So good luck selling this one, me. There you go. Kind of Kevin Durant thing. Next up, got a Nike React Element 87. I don't really know. I don't know the colorway, but this is a size 11. These are actually in really good shape. The outsole is in really actually decent shape. Doesn't look like there's much insole wear. They don't smell. They're not super dirty. They just need a cleanup. So no box, size 11, React Element something or other. Last loose pair is an okay pair. It is a size US men's 8.5. This is the All-Star Chameleon Iridescent release from 2017 for All-Star Weekend. It's got iridescent lace tips. There's usually a black lace that comes with it, but apparently it doesn't, so it's only got white laces. These are an okay shape. A little bit of heel drag, which you probably can't see because my camera won't focus on it. These are an okay shape. Oh, it's a Jordan 1. Jordan 1s always have value, so really can't complain. There you go. 8.5. Jordan 1 Chameleon All-Star or whatever. This box is not looking too great. There's some Adidas. What? I'm pulling this out because...
That's what she said!
I'm not gonna know anything about it. And I'm not gonna pretend to know anything about it or even give a rat's you-know-what about it. It's a Versace something. Cool, no wonder they cost so much. The box is super big and stupid. It says chain reaction on the box, I guess. It says sneaker mix to... Whatever this is. Whatever. Oh, cool. Look at that. So it's a designer shoe, and guess what? They're super ugly. Big shock there. Why do rich people like such ugly things? I don't get it. I don't know what's going on with these lace tips, but they're very phallic. That's disgusting. But they appear to be dead stock. These could be worth something, I guess. I don't know where I'm gonna sell these. There you go. Some kind of Versace god-awful thing. Neat. Cool, this box sucks. I'm sure the market value is high. Now when I say that this sucks, it's because this shoe isn't gonna move, because I just don't care about fancy shoes. People are not gonna go to my website or go on Goat looking for Versace sneakers. Dumb. Oh, and the rest are Adidas. Cool, this might be my least favorite box I've ever gotten. Whatever this is. This is a size 13 D-Rose 5 Boost. This is a wild colorway. These are worn, but it's a Jeremy Scott collaboration. What? The laces look like SB laces. That's kind of weird. Now, if you're in the comments saying, oh, this dude's complaining about shoes, hey, I also unbox these for fun. This isn't a fun unboxing. That's just all there is to it. Some kind of Yeezy. Size 12. 350 V2. Okay, they're worn. Pretty decent shape, though. Just need to clean up. These are the YEEZY or whatever they're called. Not glow in the dark, but kind of like a mixture of the... They look like a mixture of Zions and semi-frozen yellow without a gum outsole. But the outsole is actually in really good shape, just a little bit dirty. Insoles, you can see, are decent shape. None of the lettering's gone, so that's good. Yeah, they just need a quick cleanup, so that's not bad. Size 12, not a great size in Yeezys. There you go. Last pair, just says Dame 4 and a size 11.5. Okay. This is all right, actually. So this is a collaboration with probably the definition of Hypebeast clothing line and Damian Lillard of the Portland Trailblazers. This is the Dame 4 Bape, and this is the red one. The red one's actually one of the more exclusive ones. The blue and the green ones were pretty available, but this might actually have some pretty good value. The only thing that stinks is there's no boost on this shoe, so it's not super comfortable, but you see you got World Gone Mad on the ankle right there, the shark on the midsole. These are in actually really great shape too. There's like no heel drag or anything weird. They just need a cleanup. These probably have some pretty decent value. So I would imagine for an $11.25 box, this is probably a good 60 to 70% of the value. I'm guessing though, so it's not bad to end the box on. Size 11.5, Dame 4, Bape, red. Cool. This box is $1,125. That's how much it cost me. Let's see how much it's actually worth. Breakdown thing. I mean, real talk, guys, that's why these 1,000 plus boxes suck. I mean, they're just not fun to open. There's more risky shoes in it, and market value doesn't always mean it's gonna be easy to move. That's just all there is to it. So let me know what you think. I might be overreacting, probably, because I'm just a big brat and I hate Adidas and everything that's not Nike, basically. This box is just, this is gonna be a tough one to move. I can't imagine those Versace's, what they even are, or how much they're worth. But I guess if you're interested in any of these shoes, get your eyes checked and then go to sbmitch.com and see how much they're for sale for, I guess. Hey, thanks for watching, I appreciate it. Sorry for being entitled, I guess. Okay, boomer. Hey, have a great weekend. See you soon. Take care of each other. Remember to make it fun. I should listen to my own words. Because sneakers are supposed to be fun. Bye.